Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of unknown error occurred on the application of NFL. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about NFL and you can click here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will click on storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of NFL. Then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.